So you want to build a website for free. Yes, you can do that. It might even look good, well, minus the ads, but that's not the only problem. Even the best free website builder options can have more issues than that. For instance, it's always going to be hosted on a subdomain, giving unprofessional vibes, and it probably won't be able to hold any traffic. But are the best free website builders worth your time? Or should you just opt for an affordable premium alternative? I've tested plenty of free website builder options myself, and to be honest, I wasn't too happy about them. Let me explain why. The first one was Yola. It has premium plans, but first I'll show you how to create a website for free with their free builder, which even includes an AI website builder. I was able to quickly get a starting version of a website that looked okay. That said, the editor was very bare, and AI whipped up a very similar website every time. Then I checked the resources offered by their free plan, and to be honest, my reaction was kind of a chuckle. The storage space with a free plan is, wait for it, 100 megabytes. So if you're writing a blog, better don't add any images to your posts. Seriously though, a few pages and some pictures and you're capped. So I decided, enough spotlight for Yola, let's find another website builder with a free plan. This time it's got to have more storage than 100 megabytes. One of those is Jimdo. 500 megabytes is also limited, but hey, it's 5 times more. The builder itself is pretty minimalistic and easy to use, but it doesn't have an AI builder, and that's kind of becoming a norm for premium providers. It does have some other cons as well, which make you realize that the free version is just for testing the builder out rather than having a website for visitors. The 2 gigabyte monthly bandwidth limit kind of makes sure of that. Most of these free website builder plans have something in common. They're kind of like free trials. It's nice to check out how the builder functions, but it's not equipped to run a full, proper website with real visitors. So why not try out some of the best website builder options with free trials or money-back guarantees instead? For instance, one of the most known website building providers, Hostinger, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is going to be more than enough time to test and learn to use their builder. Another good reason to consider giving it a go is pricing. If you decide to stick with it, you won't have to overpay, especially if you use the discounts from this description. It's much more affordable than Yola's or Jimdo's premium plans, and it comes with way more options and benefits as well. Now, there are reasons beyond pricing why Hostinger's website builder is so popular. It's a solid choice for just about anyone, from beginners launching their first site to experienced users who want efficiency without complexity. It strikes a great balance between simplicity and flexibility, offering drag and drop controls, pre-made sections, and responsive tools that make editing smooth and intuitive. Editor lets you easily copy content blocks, undo changes, and quickly locate tools via the search bar. Now, while many other builders have AI by now, Hostinger's had it for a while, and it's just kept improving all that time. You can describe your website's purpose, and Hostinger AI generates a fully functional site within moments. Then you can tweak it using the drag and drop builder, customizing layouts, images, colors, and more. If you prefer a traditional approach, you can start with one of their many designer-made templates. Better yet, some templates can be combined with AI-generated content, giving you the best of both worlds. That said, this feature is currently limited to 8 templates, but as mentioned, Hostinger is improving all the time, so we probably can expect more options soon. Beyond site creation with AI, the Hostinger business plan also comes with AI tools for editing the site. It includes things like an AI writer for copy or an AI SEO assistant that helps improve search engine visibility, which is great for users unfamiliar with the nuances of SEO. For small businesses, Hostinger offers e-commerce tools with no extra fees, so it has to be the best website builder for small business. Although there is a 500 product cap, don't get me wrong, that's plenty for most stores, but hey, it might not suit large stores. Now, Hostinger's mobile editing support is another standout feature. You can update your site on the go, ensuring that it stays responsive and user-friendly across all devices. With the ability to create up to 25 websites on the cheapest plan, it's perfect for experimenting with different styles or running multiple projects without added costs. Now, no builder is perfect though, and Hostinger isn't either. There are a few downsides, okay? The grid system with drag and drop controls can feel limiting for advanced users. Hostinger also lacks an app store and could expand its e-commerce capabilities for larger businesses, but these are minor trade-offs considering the platform's value. With affordable pricing that bundles hosting and builder tools in one plan and gives a free domain for a year, Hostinger is a compelling all-in-one solution for building and managing modern websites efficiently and at low cost. Just don't forget to check out the links in the description for the lowest Hostinger pricing. Another good yet affordable option with a 30-day money-back guarantee is the IONOS website builder. It's a great pick for beginners looking for a straightforward, no-fuss way to build a website. The editing experience is smooth. You can quickly add images, swap out text, adjust colors, and build new pages. Though it is worth noting that the color palette is fairly limited, and the grid system used in the editor keeps things neat, but just like with Hostinger, it can restrict more advanced design changes. Still, if you want a polished site without getting into the weeds of customization, it's going to work great. One of the highlights of IONOS is its AI-powered website builder. You simply describe what your site is about, and the AI will generate a layout, fill in content, and even suggest images. From there, you can jump into the editor and personalize the results. It's really a fast and surprisingly effective way to get a site up and running, especially if you're not sure where to begin. IONOS also comes packed with useful features to support your website after it goes live. Built-in analytics help you track visitor behavior and understand how your site is performing. SEO tools make it easier to optimize your content for search engines, giving your site a better chance of being found. For users running online stores, the e-commerce features are simple to use and effective for small to mid-sized shops. An especially unique feature, though, is the competitor tracking tool, which gives you insight into how your site stacks up against others in your niche. On top of that, AI assistance is available to help you generate, copy, and streamline your content creation workflow. Now that said, IONOS does come with a few limitations. With only 40 templates, the design variety is somewhat narrow, and the basic color palette and fixed element grid might leave more design-savvy users wanting more flexibility. Customization is clearly not its strongest suit. Even so, IONOS delivers real value as you can start building for $1 a month. It's approachable, efficient, and packed with helpful features that guide you from ideas to live websites with minimal hassle. If your priority is ease of use and intelligent assistance over pixel-perfect design control, IONOS is a smart choice that makes building a website feel accessible even for complete beginners. I have an additional mention for those who value their website looking great above everything else. If that's you, consider Squarespace. While it doesn't have a free plan, it comes with a 14-day free trial. Squarespace is well known for its award-winning templates, making it an ideal choice for photographers, designers, and other visual creatives. It now offers 2 ways to build a site: over 100 beautifully designed templates, or the new Blueprint editor, which lets you customize your layout block by block. While it's not AI-driven like Hostinger, Blueprint is straightforward and offers solid creative control. Personally, I still prefer the templates. They're polished and require minimal editing. Editor is easy to use with drag and drop functionality, a clean grid system, and a wide variety of pre-built sections. Squarespace also includes unique elements like SoundCloud integration, a photo app, and restaurant tools, features rarely found in other builders. Despite the wide tool set, the interface remains clean and easy to navigate. On the marketing side, Squarespace offers helpful AI features for logo creation, email campaigns, and basic SEO. The Unfold app is especially useful for quickly creating stylish social media content, and it's completely free. But just like with the other providers, I do have to mention the downsides I've noticed. Some tools could be more developed. Collaboration features are limited, and pricing can get steep, especially if you need full e-commerce functionality. But overall, Squarespace is a great platform for users who value design and want a site that looks great right out of the box. Now, while Yola or Jimdo free website builders might work for quick tests or simple projects, they're limited and lack the features needed for anything serious. If you want a site that looks professional and performs well, it's worth paying a little bit for the best website builders. Hostinger offers great value with fast hosting and an easy builder. IONOS gives you power and reliability, and Squarespace is great for stunning, design-forward sites. Just before you go, I remind you not to overpay and check out my discounts from the description. Thanks for watching, and see you around.